Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting up controls and adopting a safe grip. Sit upright and bring the wheel to chest level so your arms are slightly bent. This reduces fatigue and improves reaction time. Place your hands at 9 and 3 for modern vehicles with airbags, or 10 and 2 if you prefer, but keep fingers wrapped around the rim. Once set, steady your thumbs along the wheel's rim, not inside spokes, to avoid injury and to maintain precise steering feedback while driving. You now execute controlled steering motions. For most turns, use the push-pull method. Push with one hand while the other slides to reposition, because it keeps both hands on the wheel and preserves vehicle stability. When tighter maneuvers are required, you can use a careful hand-over hand but return quickly to both hands. Make corrections from your shoulders to avoid wrist strain and make small, measured inputs. This reduces oversteer and keeps the car predictable. Once done, you complete the maneuver by returning to your neutral grip and relaxing pressure to a light, steady hold, about 2 to 3 out of 10, to reduce fatigue and improve feel. If the wheel suddenly drifts or pulls, safely reduce speed, signal, and pull over to check tire pressure and alignment. Road camber can also cause pull. If your hands slip, cleanse the wheel and try a well-fitting driving glove or a textured cover. Make sure to address mechanical issues promptly to maintain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.